Hey guys, welcome. This is how to fix frozen phone touch screen Android. So guys, if you ever wondering how to fix this issue, I have multiple solutions for you. So first one is just simply do a force restart to your phone by simply holding the power button and the volume down for 10 to 15 seconds. And now just simply do it until the logo reappears, and this will reboot your phone, and this might fix the issue. Another option is a plug in and charge your phone. So a low or unstable battery can freeze the screen. So connect to a charger for 15 to 20 minutes, then try restarting again. Now, another option that you might want to consider is free up system resources. So, guys, if you can connect your phone into a PC or external device, just simply delete all of the unnecessary files that you no longer need. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.